Chrome Infotech tutorial page. Gaurav this side from Chrome Infotech team. Here I will guide you complete process of performance testing using JMeter. Let's take a look. Here is the complete process of JMeter. Download JMeter and extract the files. Open JMeter through command prompts. Create JMeter test plan. Add sampler as HTTP request. Add listener. Save test plan in .jmx file. Run test plan from command prompts. Create performance test reports and run JMX file in a BlazeMeter to view the complete reports parts. Let's open JMeter and follow the steps. Very first thing is you need to download the JMeter. Just open Chrome and just search for the JMeter downloads and open this. Just scroll down here and download this file and extract that folder in anywhere in your local PC, just like this one. I already did this. Just open this and go to the bin folder. Here open CMG. Here open JMeter. You can also run this JMeter directly from here .bat file. It's a JMeter GUI mode, graphical user interface. Okay, and here's a test plan and here's a workbench. Just right click and add here thread groups. Give here's a number of thread. It's a number of user. I'm saying it's 10 user. Ramp period in second, I'm saying 2 seconds, and loop out how many times I want to run this. I'm doing this in a GUI mode, that's why I'm providing here low number of users. If I do the same thing with us command prompts, then I can provide maximum number of users here. So just right click here and go to the sampler, add HTTP request. It's a HTTP request. Here's the protocol. It's a HTTPS and HTTP. It's a HTTPS. I want to perform performance testing on particular URL which is HTTPS, or here I need to write IP address of a website or the URL. Let me show you. Just go to search any application in which you want to perform performance testing or stress testing. Just copy this one. Make sure that www dot not include this. Here's the IP address and here's the method and here's the path. What is mean here path? Path means if I want to perform the particular actions on about and anything else screen, this section is also known as path. If I will copy this and provide this path here, this will be execute this particular section also, but right now I am not doing this. So okay, so just right click here and go to the listener, and here I need to add view result tree. It's a view result tree. That's fine. Okay, so if I want to hear number of HTTP requests, I can add here multiple. From here just go here and go to the sampler and add HTTP request count. If you want multiple pages performance testing, then you can do this here. Right now I'm just showing it's a dummy, so that's fine. Okay, let's play this. Do you want to save this test plan? Yes, because I need to run this JMX file from command prompt also. That's why I need to save this. Yes, and save in any locations. I am providing this as a desktop. Gaurav2 is a file name. Just save. Here you can see number of user is 10 and here's the result. As you can see here, it's a response code is 200. That means the result will pass. It's fine. Okay, just go here and save this file. So it's a JMeter GUI mode. It's a graphical user interface mode. We cannot run maximum number of user here because it got stuck sometimes. That's why we are performing .jmx file. It's mainly used for to create a test plan here. In test plan here we have a number of users and all, and after creating this one we generate .jmx file and execute that file from command prompt. Let's move further. Just close this. As you can see here, it's a JMX file. Just go to here folder and go to bin folder and open open here CMG, and here I need to put the path of this JMX file, and if I want to create a report CSV file and HTML reports, let me show you how we can do this. Just put here JMeter is and space .t space file path of this JMX. Just press shift and right click and copy as a path. Make sure that you remove double quotes here. So this is a path of this JMX file, and now I want to create .csv file for this. Just put here L space and the path of CSV file where I want to create the CSV file, the result for this particular number of users. So for this you need to create a folder. I already did. It's a report, and just right click and go here and just add a new file. Make sure that the extension should be .csv. I already did this. Let me show you. It's a blank file, nothing is there. Just go here. Let me show you the property of this file. It's a blank file, .csv file. So here I need to provide this path of this CSV file where I want to fetch all records of this JMX file. Just shift and right click, copy as path, and go here and paste here. Make sure that you remove double quotes. So this is a .csv file path where I want to save this record all. If I want to create HTML report for this particular JMX file, I can do this. Let me show you how we can do this. Just press here E space .o space and provide here the location where you want to save this HTML file. I already created a blank folder here and I'm providing this path. I want this my HTML reports here. Just copy this path and paste this path. So this is all. The very first one is a JMX file location, the second one is a .csv file location, and the third one is a HTML locations. Just press enter here. It's saying .csv is not an empty file. Okay, fine. Just go here and press enter. Okay, as you can see, the JMX file is executing. So here is the result. Now it's working. End of run. That means my test has been completed. Let's move to the report part. Just go to the report section. This is my .csv file. Just right click. Just go to the rename and change the extension as .csv. Just yes, I want to share this file. So here's the response. It's a 200 and okay. That means my performance test is successfully executed. So this is a .csv file. Let's move to the HTML part. Here you can see here is the result of HTML file. I provided blank paths, so you can view here HTML report. Just double tap So here's the file name of my .csv file, and start time, end time. Here's the 100% score, and you can just scroll down here and see here the samples, 20 sample. HTTP request is 20 because it's a 10 user 2 times. Loop time is at 2 times, that's why it's 20 users, and error is 0. Average time is this. This is the corresponding factors that is related to the website, the particular website. And here's the other records. Let's move to the chart part, and here you can see there are many types of chart. You can see here it's a very huge report. You can view all result here in this HTML report. So I just executed a one page, that's why it's a less report here. If I want to perform this task on a multiple HTTP requests, I can add as a sampler many times, as I already said in my previous steps. So that's all about the web performance testing. If you want to run this same test on your mobile application, you can also do this. For this you have to install the SSL certificate on your device. So just download JMeter and provide JMeter SSL certificates in your device and install this certificate. But make sure that your device, means your laptop and your mobile device, is connected with the same network, and you had set here the proxy between these two networks. Then you can view your all result in this JMeter GUI. That's all about JMeter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.